Going east on Charlie's Creek, shortly after crossing Charlie's Creek, there's a downhill section that's a little rougher than the rest of it. Got some big rocks, got some holes. Goes on for about maybe a mile and a quarter, mile and a half. A couple of spots where you might want to be picking your line according to what you're driving. Or riding. If you're riding a motorcycle, this could be challenging. Stay with me here. We'll have one more pretty interesting hole to go through in a little bit. For what it's worth, I love Charlie's Creek Road. Not too hard, not too easy, just right. Haven't seen anybody on the trail this morning. I think we're fixing to get a little testy again. No, not yet. Stay with me. It'll be entertaining. I promise I won't sing. Here's our hole. If you can see that hole down there. It's hard to see from the camera, but just pay attention to how the Jeep goes back and forth and up and down. Generally when the screen is full of mud, you're going down steep. When it's full of sky, you're going up steep. When it's leaned over like that, you're in a hole. That's the worst of it I've seen so far today.